Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to set up Newbie Share on your Samsung Galaxy S22. So firstly, open control panel and find here Newbie Share option. It's here, tap and hold on it, wait a while, choose add or verify, scroll down to CSIMIN, then just enable Bluetooth and GPS location. So enable location, yes, it's enabled, and enable Newbie Share. Then you can change your device name, you can change the device visibility mode. I recommend you to use everyone mode, because in this mode everyone can receive send data for you, and you can change data usage mode too. I suggest you to use data mode because it includes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data. So now we can send data from other devices to your device. For example, I want to share this image, this photo. I using Newbie Share option. Then you can see only accept button. Tap on it, and as you can see, image was sent. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.